Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Kiwi Crate unboxing and I'm really excited for this. I know my son is going to be so excited for this. It's all he's been talking about since the last one, is when his next, he calls it an experiment, is coming. So I know he's going to be really excited. If you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to show you different unboxings like this, to give you organizational ideas or curriculum ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below and let's get into this box. So when we open it up, it's going to look like this. And I forgot to even tell you what it's supposed to be. Let's see. Kaleidoscope puzzles. So make your own kaleidoscope and use mirrors to solve visual puzzles. So that sounds really cool. So just on the top of this, probably because we're going into holidays and stuff, it has some different things you can buy from their store. So they have the subscription boxes, but then they have a separate store where you can go in and just buy different boxes for science or art or whatever. So it has a few of them shown right here, so you can check out their website and see what they have as it's going into Black Friday and into Christmas. I'm sure they'll have some great deals for that. So then we have our instructions, I think that's what this one is. So again, it looks very, very thorough and very cool. I don't know what's going on here, but it looks super cool. And we have our little Kaleidoscope Puzzles notebook. So it's gonna, it has a thing about symmetry right here. So that's fun, you know, introducing some math to them and then also showing some symmetry in nature. And we're going into winter. I don't know if I'm excited about it or not. I sort of like it and I sort of don't. But snowflakes, so you can show them that kind of symmetry, so that's pretty cool. So we have these little puzzle cards, it looks like. That's what it says they are. So I don't know for sure, but so whatever that is, I don't know yet. I guess we'll see. And then this says it's markers. And then we have some little foam shapes, probably to go in the kaleidoscope. These are little, I don't even know. They're like the little see-through plastic, probably that will go on the end. It's so hard to see them, so sorry about that. And then so we have some more parts right here that we can use. Here's our mirrors, which will be very important in our kaleidoscope. And some other cool shapes. I've made little shakers, but I don't know if I've ever made a kaleidoscope. I'm trying to even remember. So this seems like it's gonna be really cool with all these different things. And I honestly don't know how all this is gonna go together, if it's part of several crafts or what. So we'll be excited to let you know about that. These look like stickers. There's some different colors. And then this paper, it has creases so it folds up somehow. We have an envelope. Did you send me some mail? So there's that. I don't know what we're gonna use that for. This is foam, but it has this is plastic, I think, and it has all these little degrees on it. So I don't know what we're gonna use that for either. And then another plastic paper that looks like it folds in the middle. So there's a lot of things in here that I'm very clueless at the moment of how it's all gonna come together and how we're gonna use it. So we're excited to get into it so we can show you what all these things are used for. So I'm gonna let my son start playing with this and we will let you know how it goes. We're back. Manti finished his Kiwi Crate unboxing, so we're gonna come show you his different kaleidoscopes he made. So do you wanna hold this one up? So this is the first one. Hold it this way. So this is kind of your typical kaleidoscope that you find in the store. I grew up really knowing about. So he put the mirrors inside and then you can look through this side and spin the wheel on this side. And you can see all the different things move around. It's pretty cool, huh? And he made 2 wheels, so it comes with enough to make 2, so you can switch them out if you want a different cool design. Then the other thing we made is a standing kaleidoscope, which is gonna offer this crazy reflection in our camera. So in this, it has different measurements down here, which I had mentioned in the intro video. And so you can move that around as you stick different pictures underneath, and it will reflect in different ways. Reflect, refract, all these things. I don't know a whole lot about mirrors, but so this is a strip of paper, so that's an example. And you could spread this out further or have the angle be closer together to make the image look different. So it came with a whole bunch of pages like this, and then this side he got to color. So it came with some that were already colored, and then a whole bunch of papers that he got to do.
And this is the wheel.
That's the extra wheel. So this envelope was for storing all the stuff that he got. So I'm just gonna pull out a few things to show you. It came with a ton of blank circles, and he colored them, and then you can stick them under here and see the design. So in our standing kaleidoscope. So that was really cool. And then you also gave us the option.
This is Palisand, a Pokemon.
It's a Pokemon. So there's also these little patterns that they gave. Let me show you. To struggle with a kid on my lap trying to do all these things. So it has this one side, and some of them are harder than others. Hold on, please. And so this one shows that it's advanced down here, but you're trying to get this image in the mirror, and on the back it has the solution. So you would put the different foam pieces right like this, and then it tells you what angle to put it at so that you could get this image in the mirror. So it came with these little foam pieces right here that are kind of hard to see, but so it gave a few different foam pieces. So there was tons of different options to do with the standing kaleidoscope, and he actually spent over an hour probably playing with it. So it was really great, a really great tool, and we really loved it. And I also really like this book. We haven't had a chance to go through it a whole lot, but again, it has a lot of things about symmetry in nature, symmetry that you can create with your kids. It also has another craft, like you can make socks that are symmetrical. And then it has a proportional pie right over here that you could make. And so that they can practice proportions and learning about different types of symmetry. So I really think this book is extremely useful and gave a lot of great resources to talk more about symmetry. So what was your favorite part of this craft, bud?
All of it.
All of it? Did you think any of it was really hard or no?
No.
No, this is my very confident child. So we really enjoyed this month's Kiwi Crate, and we're very excited and looking forward to next month. Are you excited for next month?
Yeah.
So if you are interested in seeing more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe below, and we will see you next time.